If you're planning an Alaska cruise, there's something you need to know before you even pack your bags. Alaska's Inside Passage has a different time zone than the West Coast. Even if your cruise departs from Seattle, Alaska is 1 hour behind Pacific time. That means when it's 8 a.m. in Los Angeles or Vancouver, it's only 7 a.m. in Juneau. Why does this matter? Well, if you're flying in from New York, that's a 4 hour time difference. Toronto, 4 hours. Chicago, 3 hours. Even if you're from California, there's still a full hour shift once your cruise reaches Alaska. Let's cover a few tips to help you feel rested and make your cruise as awesome as it can be. Tip number one, arrive 2 to 3 days early. Here's the fix, fly in early. Give yourself at least 2 nights before your cruise to adjust if you're coming from the East Coast or the Midwest. If you're from the West Coast, you should fly in the day before to make sure there are no flight delays. Get a good night's sleep in the days prior to your cruise. Trust me, you don't want to start your once in a lifetime cruise tired, groggy, and grumpy. Tip number two, don't cheap out on a hotel. I know it's tempting to save a few bucks by booking a basic hotel near the airport like I did prior to my trip, but I found out the hard way that you deserve better before your big trip. Rather than staying in a below average hotel, splurge on a nice hotel near the port or downtown. Yes, it might cost more, but the luxury and convenience add so much more to your experience and are so worth it. Tip number three, explore Seattle before you sail. Seattle offers many fun tourist attractions that you can enjoy while you adjust to the time zone. You can ride the Seattle Great Wheel, visit Chihuly Garden and Glass Museum, check out the Seattle Aquarium, go to the top of the Space Needle, and don't miss Pike Place Market. Get coffee, fresh seafood, food from around the world, and souvenirs. Think of this time as an exciting part of your cruise adventure with unique experiences that are not to be missed. And by the time you board, you'll be adjusted, rested, and totally cruise ready. Bonus tip, sync your devices. Don't forget to check your phone settings once you're on board. Your phone may not automatically update to Alaska time depending on your signal, so double check the ship time and set alarms accordingly for excursions or onboard events. So here's your Alaska time zone game plan. Arrive early, stay somewhere amazing, soak up Seattle, and let your body adjust. Have you ever experienced time zone jet lag on a cruise? Drop your tips or questions in the comments.